Hey, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Well, today we are going to discuss some points about the new bridge, the Hong Kong Macau bridge. So let's start the meeting. The general agenda it's basically formed in three basic points. We have the need for a bridge, the technical details, and the possible environmental impact. So today we are going to discuss all the points told above, and let's start for the first point here. We are going to begin with the need for a bridge. What can you tell me about it?
One of the most important economic benefits that we have with the bridge is the economic situation between Hong Kong and China. Here is Hong Kong and China. The bridge is going to be here and Macau is here. So the economic relations with China and Hong Kong, it's really strong, and the bridge is going to improve the economic relationships between Macau and China. Why? Because of the bridge. The time in the bridge, the time to get to Macau is going to be like 40 minutes instead 4 hours more or less. So the economic situation between Hong Kong and China is going to decrease, and the economic situation between Macau and China is going to improve.
So we're totally agreed that the bridge is necessary for the economic improvement for Macau to China, and there is a point that is not under discussion.
Okay, my partner Brizuela is going to explain another points about the social economic situation between Macau, Hong Kong and China. Also, he's going to explain some points about the time of the bridge.
Bella, tell us, what about this?
Yes, the economic benefit is going to reduce, the bridge is going to reduce the cost and time between Macau and China. The cost of the bridge is going to be 2 billion to 3.7 billion. And the benefit of this bridge is going to be the tourism, the logistic, finance and trade.
Excellent. I totally agree.
Yeah, I'm totally agree with you.
Yes, we're totally
You have
agreed.
a point in your favor? Thank you.
Okay. There is no doubt about the economic benefits?
No.
Everybody here are according with those points that we saw. Okay, let's start with another point what we have in the general agenda. It's important. If I remember, the next point in our agenda are the technical details, no? So let's start with technical details. So, what can you tell me about it?
So, okay, now we're going to discuss the technical details of the bridge. First, our bridge counts of 42 kilometers. 22.9 kilometers are the bridge work, 7.7 the tunnels, and we're going to have 2 artificial islands. And first, we have here Macau and then Hong Kong. The bridge, and here they are the artificial islands, and we have there the tunnels.
Excuse me, I have a question. What are the tunnels ubicated next to Hong Kong?
Because it's cheaper and the budget, it's better to develop the project next to Hong Kong than Macau.
Okay, thank you.
Well, another thing to discuss is the technical details. First, our bridge is a cable-stay bridge.
I have a question. What kind of material will the cable be made?
We're going to use steel.
Okay, thanks.
Second, the aesthetics. Our bridge is innovator and it's an icon to China, Macau, and Hong Kong. and it's harmony with the neighborhood because we're going to implement environmental friendly process to complement all the construction area. The technical details about the bridge.
Yeah. What is the design like?
It's about 120 years with any implements, with any improvements.
I'm going to talk about the aesthetics consideration. It's going to have a combination of low viaducts and elegant cable and stayed bridges visually attractive. Each bridge has a distinct appearance, yet whole complex looks undefined. Good view of a long curving bridge on takeoff from Hong Kong airport. A good view overseas to Macau from Zhuhai with the main bridge in the background. Beauty of cable stayed bridge due to balance between tension and compression. Buildings will be curvilinear, not rectangular or linear, more natural appearance. We're gonna make some points about the innovation and creativity of the aesthetics and the identity with the environmental friendliness, including sustainability, green buildings, and energy efficiency, functionality, effectiveness, and buildability. We're gonna have harmony with the neighborhood. The preliminary design work on the proposed J-shaped bridge is expected to be completed by the end of 2004. The understanding of the deterioration process will not only improve the efficiency of the corrective maintenance, but also provide solutions for predictive and conditions based on maintenance. There are therefore still a lot of potential further research and development with WSHM.
Okay, so the last point we do not have any questions. So everybody are okay? Everybody understands what the technical details are. So let's go on with the next point in the general agenda. The general agenda it's about the next point is environmental impact. Okay, so let's see. What can you tell me about this point?
Environmental impact. We have 4 main topics to treat in the environmental impact. The first one is the water quality.
Okay, I have a question. What are the aspects to consider in the water quality?
Well, the water quality will cause water pollution because the residual construction material that the construction of the bridge will cause. That's the main idea.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Now in ecology, the Chinese white dolphins, that is a very important marine habitat in China, will be affected because of the water pollution. Fishery will be damaged also because of the chemical residues that the construction of the bridge will produce because of the dust, and the air quality will also decrement. Noise. Well, after the bridge is finished, there will be a lot of traffic because of the high population of China. So the noise impact will be very high in the marine habitats also. And that's all the main topics that we have to talk about the environmental impact. Do you have any questions?
No.
No. After I already have seen all those points, we're gonna make a conclusion about this. So, what can you tell me about this conclusion?
Yes, we'll agree that the bridge is necessary for the improvement of the economic aspects between Macau and China, but we have to consider the environmental impact that this bridge is going to cause in the neighborhood.
Yeah, I totally agree with your conclusion.
We're totally agree.
Yeah, it is going to be constructed and it begin the next year, and that's all. Thank you very much.
Till the next meeting.
So, okay, this concludes our meeting today. And the next week we are going to have the next meeting about this, and okay, we can go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.